morning teachers, I am Isha Bhardwaj.
And myself Manju Kadra.
Today our topic is India, land of elixir, means Amrit. In our today's topic, we are discussing about A1 milk and A2 milk. Firstly, A1 milk is produced by Northern European cow. It basically contains A1 beta-casein which releases a 7 amino acid biopeptide chain called beta-casomorphin 7 which causes harmful effects in our small intestine. Secondly, A2 milk is produced by desi cow breeds like Sahiwal, Gir, etc. It contains A2 beta-casein and generates peptide BCM9. There is a proline at 67th position which prevents the split of the particular site so that BCM7 cannot be formed. Practically, we taken a cup of milk which consists solids and water. Further, the solid divided into 4 subparticles: lactose, protein, fats and minerals. Then protein is divided into whey protein and casein. Basically, our differentiation begins from here. That is, casein is divided into 3 subparts: alpha casein, beta casein and kappa casein. It is responsible for the formation of ROS, which is a major concern of cancer and further aging factors. Lastly, A2 beta casein and A1 beta casein are differ at the 67th position, where A2 beta casein have proline which hinders cleavage so that BCM7 is not formed, and A1 beta casein have histidine that readily allows the cleavage, which further proceed in the formation of beta-casomorphin 7. Here are the effects of BCM7 on our eye, heart, infant, liver and digestive system, and many more other diseases like type 1 diabetes mellitus. Several studies indicate that drinking A1 milk during infant stage can cause insulin problem, so that our mother milk also contain A2 beta casein, which is good for our health. Second, heart disease. On the test in rabbit shows that A1 beta casein promoted fat buildup in injured blood vessels, which is a major cause of heart attacks and many myocardial diseases. Third is sudden infant death syndrome, which is mainly found in infants who temporarily stop breathing during sleep. This is also a major effect of BCM7. And the fourth one is autism. It is a brain disorder. It is a medical condition in which poor social interaction occurs, and in theory peptide of BCM7 is also responsible for that. Lastly, digestive disorders. Digestive disorders contains the main functioning, improper functioning of liver, so that the resources, mainly the resources where we get A2 milk are Sahiwal, Gir, our indigenous cows, and the A1 milk we get from the European cows that are Holstein, Friesian, etc. Basically हमारे टॉपिक में डिफ्रेंशिएशन बताया गया था A1 और A2 मिल्क का, जिसमें हमने पाया कि A2 मिल्क बेटर है, जो कि हमारा खुद का, हमारी कंट्री का बेसिक, हमारे काउस का मिल्क में पाया जाता है. एंड अब A1 मिल्क से बचने के लिए हमने जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम ब्रीडिंग इस उस पे करवाएं कि जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग के थ्रू हर काउ A2 बीटा कैसेइन के प्रोटीन का मिल्क प्रोड्यूस करे, सो दैट हमारी हेल्थ पे भी कोई इफेक्ट ना हो और हमारी यील्ड और पॉपुलेशन के हिसाब से भी सब मेंटेन रहे. इसके अलावा हमारा सेकंड सब्स्टिट्यूट भी है बोविन ओरिजिन. बोविन ओरिजिन एक ऐसा सीरम है जिसकी वजह से यील्ड बढ़ जाती है, काउ को दिया जाता है ताकि वो टाइम से पहले मैच्योर हो जाए. बट काइंडली ये भी कहीं ना कहीं गलत ही है कि टाइम से पहले मैच्योर हो जाएगा. इसलिए जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग इज द बेस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द A1 बीटा कैसेइन. थैंक यू सो मच.